Hi everybody, I'm just doing a quick short video before we do another raccoon one. We know raccoons tonight because this wind is just a little bit too much for them. So anyway, I'm outside the house here. So anyway, we could be losing our power anytime, so notice I got the mustache gone. I had enough of it. I like it without it. Makes me look too old. I'm old enough as it is. Anyway, no, there's no raccoons, and the igloo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up tomorrow. I'm going to put a piece of carpet in it, and I'm going to screw it down onto the bottom part, and so it won't be, moving around and stuff. But I'm going to cut it to fit, so I have the whole carpet left over. I'll try that anyway. And be a little better than sitting on the old plastic. I might put it down in the basement, maybe the cats will go in it. Alright, anyway, I think I'll call her a night, and hopefully the lights will stay on and I can keep watching TV. See you later, people. Still windy. These fellows were all sleeping. The 5 of them. I put 2 pounds of hot dogs out and some more dry. Anyway, they're hungry, but they were sleeping here in the corner. There's one guy in the corner. They were sleeping, so when I come out with the food, they woke up. So they were in the corner out of the rain. Weren't ya? Yes, you were. Yes, you were. That's good. Yeah, it's raining like a bugger. It's raining hard. Fella's eating under the bench. Have to go get some more hot dogs. Well, they're not going hungry tonight, are ya? No, you're not going hungry. Yeah. Need some more hot dogs, don't you? Need more hot dogs? Huh? Want to throw a few more out? Huh? Okay. I'll go get some more. Connor's sleeping he's sleeping in the living room, and Charlotte's asleep in the bedroom. So I'll get another pound of hot dogs out. Oh, here. Oh. This will be the 3rd pound. I think that'll be it, 3rd pound. They cleaned up all the dry food I had, and I put more out. But they were a long time coming back because of the wind. Yeah. The wind hurts their ears. Their ears are very sensitive. Yeah, he got the last hot dog. Look, waiting at the door. You want some more? Huh? Do you want some more? Okay. I'll open the door here. Grab a couple of hot dogs here. There we go. Oh, can't open the door with the hot dogs in my hand there. You ready? Here. Here. There you go. So I'll go out and divvy up the rest. Okay, guys. You want some more? That's the Westphal fellow there. There you go. You want another one? Here. Come on. He's all wet. There's 2 on that step. And 4 over here, so that's 7. We're up to 7. Well, somebody came to visit. Looks like I'm gonna have to get more hot dogs. Huh? I'll have to keep coming. Another one? Not ready yet? You want one? Here. Go get it. Go get it. It's okay. Nothing touch it. Oh, somebody else coming, look. Somebody climbing up the stairs. Who's that coming up the stairs? Huh? That's that package gone. Alright. Trying to hold on to this. Here. Here you go. Here. You got it? Good boy. I gotta go get more. I think so. I'm just gonna put this on the tripod because I can't feed them and hold the hot dogs at the same time. Here, we'll put this out here, bud. Okay? I'm still in my sleepy pants. Here it comes. Here it comes. Ready? Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Here's yours. Here's yours. Here's yours. There you go. One for you. And the Westphal boys. Here you go. There. Everybody's eating. Oh. There's a fellow going up there. Oh, he got his hot dog. He went up there with it. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to dump these. Because it's easier. That's 2 pounds. We're up to 5 just that last little while. And we went through 6 before that. So I'll just leave this here. See how things are going. There. How are things looking? What do you think, fellas? Get lots of hot dogs. I got another pound in my hand. That's 6. There you go. Big fat bomb. Yes, everybody get a big fat bomb. Listen to the wind. I'm glad I didn't move my trailer. I left it hid by the barn. Yeah. Two in the corner. There was 2 huddled there sound asleep. Yeah. The other fellows on the other steps are gone. We're down to 5 again. They must have had enough. Yeah, the rain's coming down good. Another one? Here. There you go. How's that? Oh, they're cute. They're cute. I love every one of them. I love every last one of them. And they return the love back, don't ya? Yes, you do. Okay, I'm going to leave you fellas to it, and you guys can finish off the dry food I get out of the water. All right, you be okay? Everybody going to be fine? We're down to 4 now. Oh, now we're down to 3. Now we're down to 2. It's takeaway time. Yeah. Alright, we're going to say goodnight, people, and thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Now we're down to 1.